on a windy night
by Nancy Raines Day.
Illustrated by George Bates. On a windy night, on a windy road, a boy walks home with a heavy load.
On this winding road, on this windy night, clouds hide the moon, and in creepy fright, it is a creepy.
Through dark woods and down a hill, the boy walks fast and faster still. What's that? His heart flip-flops with fear. A whisper rustles in his ear.
That's starting to scare me. Crackety-crack, bones in a sack. They could be yours. If you look back, the boy squeaks. Do you mean me?
Who else? Owl hoots back from his tree.
The wind blows leaves that brush his face. The panicked boy begins to race. But even though he holds his ears, it's louder now, the voice he hears.
Crackety-clack, bones in a sack. They could be yours if you look back.
He leaves the spooky woods behind, but in the field, what does he find? Oh my goodness, real skeletons! They dance in rows, clacking knees and cracking toes.
Rough fingers whip his hands and cheek. He hears an awful shriek.
Crackety-clack, bones in a sack. They could be yours if you look back.
Stop the book, it's too scary.
I know.
We can do it together.
I want to know what happens to the boy.
We can do it. We can do it. We can be brave, right? Okay. The boy runs blindly, fast seems slow. Then suddenly he stubs his toe. Oh no! He reaches out and feels a head. It doesn't move. It must be dead.
The boy's feet barely touch the ground. Again it comes, that deafening sound.
Crackety-clack, bones in a sack. They could be yours if you look back.
I hope he runs fast.
Run, boy, run.
He runs so fast, he's breathing hard. He's almost there. He's in the yard. A shadow rubs against his head. Don't hurt me, please. The scared boy begs.
Run, boy, run. The hairy beast sits on his shoe, and then it makes a meek meow.
Meow.
Meow. What? It was a cat.
What?
It was a cat.
When the clouds roll by, a full moon shines bright. Boy looks back and laughs outright.
Now dry corn stalks dance where the bones had been. The head's a pumpkin once again. Smart pumpkin head. So the boy scoops up his purring cat. They both go home, and that is that. Aha.
Until they hear a crackety-clack.
The end. Hey, that was cool.
That was cool.
I like being scared sometimes with you.
Me too.
We hope you like being scared with us too.
Yes.